There are literally hundreds of AI tools right now claiming they'll change your life, but 99% of them are useless. And today, I'm going to show you the only 5 you actually need if you are a student, creator, or small business. An important thing, most of them are free. Don't skip this video because the third and last tool on this list is going to blow your mind. I'm not exaggerating. When I first used it, I sat there for like 2 minutes, just staring at the screen thinking, this is actually free, so stick around till the end because if you leave early, you're going to miss the tools that most creators, most students, and most business owners don't even know exist yet. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the problem. Every week, some new AI tool drops and everyone's making a video like top 50 AI tools you need right now. And you watch it, you get overwhelmed, you bookmark 10 tabs, and you use none of them. That's not what this is. I'm not giving you 50 tools. I'm giving you only 5. These are the exact tools I personally use every single day to write, research, design, automate, and even clone my own voice. And the best part? You don't need a single rupee to start using any of them. So let's break it down one by one. The first tool on this list is not even one tool, it's 2. And I'm putting them together because honestly, you need both because when Claude hit daily limits, then ChatGPT is my Claude and ChatGPT are your writing brain and your thinking partner. Here's what most people get wrong. They open ChatGPT, type one lazy sentence and expect magic. That's not how this works. The real unlock is this. You use Claude or ChatGPT as a script writing partner, not a search engine. You give it context. You tell it who you are, what tone you want, what your audience looks like, and then it becomes insanely good at writing your hooks, your scripts, your captions, even your emails. I literally have a project set up on Claude where I've fed it my past scripts, my style, my audience, and now when I need a new video script, I don't start from zero. I start from a first draft that already sounds like me. That's the difference between a beginner and a power user. A beginner asks one question. A power user builds a system. Both tools are free to start. No credit card. Just go sign up and start talking to it like it's your smartest friend who never gets tired of your questions. Here's a mistake I see all the time. People ask ChatGPT a factual question, get an answer, and just believe it. No fact check, no source, nothing. That's dangerous for students and creators. Perplexity solves this. It's basically an AI that searches the internet in real time and gives you an answer with actual sources attached, not a guess, not something it remembers from training. A real, current, cited answer. I use this every single time when I need a statistic, a recent event, or a wait. Is this actually still true moment for my scripts? Let's say you're making a video about AI trends instead of ChatGPT, giving you an answer that might be outdated by 6 months. Perplexity pulls it live, shows you where it got the information, and you can literally click through and verify it yourself. This is the tool that makes you sound credible instead of just confident. And guess what? It is completely free to use. Let's jump to the next one. This one's for anyone doing anything visual, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, LinkedIn posts, and now even video. Flow AI is an image and video generation tool of Gemini, and the reason I rate it so highly because it doesn't just generate generic AI images. You can literally type what you want, create a YouTube thumbnail with shocked expression, red arrow, bold text energy, and it gives you something you can actually use, not something that screams this was made by AI in 10 seconds. Here's how I personally use it. Every time I finish a video, I don't sit for an hour in Photoshop anymore. I describe the concept to Flow AI, generate a few variations, pick the one that hits hardest, and move on. Same thing for carousels. Instead of designing every single slide manually, I generate the visual base, drop in my text, done. Now here's the catch, and I'm not going to hide it from you. Flow AI runs on daily credits. So it's free, but it's not unlimited. Once you burn through your daily generations, you're waiting till tomorrow. So here's the move. For your thumbnails, carousels, and one-off visuals, use Flow AI. But if you actually want to make videos, motion graphics, and animations without ever hitting a limit, that's what CapCut on PC is for. It's free, it's unlimited, and it's got AI tools built directly into the editor. Auto captions, AI B-roll, templates, motion graphics, all of it. I literally run my entire video editing pipeline through it. So the combo is simple. Flow AI for the spark, your images and short AI video clips. CapCut for the scale, unlimited editing, unlimited exports, zero credit anxiety. This is the combo that turns I have a good idea but I can't design into I have a good idea and it looks professional, and both are free to start. This is the tool that separates people who use AI from people who actually build systems with AI. Zapier lets you connect different apps and tools together so they talk to each other automatically. You set up a if this happens, do that workflow once, and it just runs forever without you touching it. Think about the repetitive stuff you do every week. New form submission, you manually copy it into a spreadsheet. New email, you manually forward it to your team. New customer, you manually add them to your CRM. With Zapier, all of that happens on its own. One-time setup, and it just runs in the background while you sleep. Now, this one works on a credit-based system, so it's not fully unlimited like the others, but the free tier gives you more than enough to automate the boring 20% of your work that's eating your time right now. I genuinely believe this is the skill gap in 2027. It's not who can use AI, it's who can make AI and run their business without sitting there and clicking buttons. Okay, now here's where I need you to actually pay attention. Because the next one, the one I promised you at the start, this is the tool that most people watching this video don't even know exists. This is it. This is the one. This is one of those AI tools that does way more than you expect. Honestly, it can handle a lot of your work in one place. So after this video, go check it out. But personally, I use it to clone my voice. It's free with daily credits. Let that sink in for a second. Your voice, cloned, usable, for free. Think about what this actually means. You record a video, you mess up a line, and instead of re-recording the entire thing, you just type the correct sentence and it generates it in your own voice. No reshoot, no re-record. Done. Or imagine this, you want to make content in a language you don't even speak fluently. You write the script and your own cloned voice says it for you in that language, sounding like you. Content creators are already using this to save hours of re-recording. Business owners are using it for personalized voice messages at scale. Some people are even using it to build entire AI personas that sound exactly like them without sitting in front of a mic every single day. I told you this one would blow your mind. And honestly, this is the tool that most creators in 2027 are going to wish they started using earlier. It comes with daily free credits, so you can literally start testing this today, right now, at zero cost. So let's quickly go through it one more time. Claude and ChatGPT for your thinking and your scripts. Perplexity for research that's actually accurate. Flow AI for thumbnails, posts and carousels that don't look AI generated. Zapier is for automating the boring, repetitive parts of your work. And MagicHour for cloning your own voice for free. Here's the truth about 2027. The gap isn't going to be between people who have AI and people who don't. Everyone's going to have access to the same 5 tools I just showed you. The gap is going to be between people who actually open these tools today and start using them, and people who just watched this video, felt motivated for 5 minutes, and did absolutely nothing. So here's your action step. Don't try to use all 5 today. Pick one. Open it right now while you're still watching this and try it on something real in your life. Let me know in the comments which one of these 5 tools are you trying first, and if this video actually helped you, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.